How to set up any song as your iPhone ringtone. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add any song you want on your iPhone as a ringtone. So first, make sure the song you want is in your music app. So if it's not there, you can download it from the Apple Music or import it from the computer. If you don't have Apple Music, open the Safari and type mp3juice.ninja. Here, you will paste the link of the song you want to download. So, go to YouTube, then search for the song and copy the link. Then, go back to the mp3juice.ninja, then paste the link and click download mp3. Just wait a few seconds and you will see that it's downloaded. Next, open the GarageBand app. So if you don't have it, download it for free from the App Store. Then tap the add icon. So once here, tap on the brick wall icon to bring up this timeline. Then tap on the tiny add icon at the end. Here, tap the section 8 where it says 8 bar. So you will change it from 8 to 30. So this will give you more room to edit your ringtone. Then, select the loophole symbol. Go to Files. Then browse for the song that you have downloaded earlier. Long press it to drag it to the timeline. So once you put the song here, select the part you want to use as a ringtone. Then tap the down arrow again, then press the song, then select share, tap ringtone, name it, and tap export. Finally, go to the settings. Then go to the sounds and haptics and choose ringtone. Your new ringtone will be at the top and ready to use.